Alula, Money Monthly. Over the past 2 months, we've witnessed both the quickest fall as well as quickest rise of the stock market in American history. After dropping rapidly in response to the coronavirus, the stock market reversed course and rose over 30%, leading the S&P 500 to achieve its best April performance since 1938. But does this miraculous recovery really make sense? After all, there have been over 1 million coronavirus cases in the US. Airline travel has decreased by 95%. Industrial production has dropped to levels not seen since post-World War II, and over 30 million more Americans are now unemployed. So, why is the stock market still rising? Here's 3 quick reasons. 1. Uncle Sam has the big bucks. The federal government has now spent over $7 trillion trying to support the economy. This swift action has calmed the fears of many investors who believe there is nothing to fear as long as Uncle Sam will continue reaching into his wallet. 2. Stocks do not represent the economy. While the U.S. stock market is recovering, the U.S. economy is struggling. Hotels, movie theaters, restaurants, malls, automobile shops, and construction companies have been examples of businesses that have been most affected by this quarantine. The stock market, however, has very little exposure to these types of companies. In fact, 78% of the value of the S&P 500 comes from tech, financial, healthcare, utility, communications, consumer staples, and internet retail companies, all of which have been significantly less affected. 3. Lack of other options. Unfortunately, interest rates have dropped to near 0%. In response, banks and companies have reduced the amount they're willing to pay on bonds and savings accounts. Take a look at the interest you're currently earning on your bank savings account. You probably won't be thrilled. As a result, people have been forced to take the risk of putting their money in the stock market, hoping their money will do more for them there. All 3 of these reasons helped spur the stock market into one of the fastest recoveries ever achieved. Time will tell whether this rise will continue or begin to falter if the struggles of the rest of the American economy become too much to continue ignoring. The only thing that is certain is that volatility will be high, so buckle in for a bumpy ride.